Hi guys, thanks so much for joining me for another video. So I want to apologize, we have some background noise over here, and that's because even though it's a windy day today, my neighbor has decided to turn on his leaf blower for additional wind to teach his son baseball. And while it is kind of comical to watch them trying to play in this and like talk to one another with, you know, this noise going on, I do have to applaud their dedication, because look, if you want to get better at the sport, if you love the sport, you have to go all out, and sometimes a gust of wind in your face is the best way to get there. So we're gonna let them do that, and we're gonna continue on with what this video is actually about, because it's another Sephora haul video. Now I know my last couple of videos on Sephora are not very positive, and that's because, you know, Sephora's kind of expensive for what they give you, and then also, you know, they don't always give you what they market. But they did release their Sephora Luxe kits, which I like this one so much that I got two, which is the quantity limit for these Luxe kits. And I kind of thought, you know, let me make a video, let me tell you why I got them, get your feedback and thoughts, and then also kind of discuss these kits and the pricing of how much they're worth. So overall, these kits are $25 each, and there's 6 items in there. So that means that each item comes out to a cost of $4.17. So when you're getting these kits, you kind of have to decide, you know, is each item worth the $4.17 for you to try out? Or if there's enough items in here that you like, that's going to justify the $25 price tag. So let's dive into these kits and see what you guys think. Now, first of all, when you shop Sephora online, one of the benefits, you get to pick out 2 samples. And they're usually foil packet samples. So I actually picked out the Tarte Knockout, the Tone 10% Acid Complex. Now I will admit, when I try this out initially, I am very dry. So proceed with caution if you're going to use a product like this. It's a lactic acid product, but it does really work very nicely. So I'm excited to get a little sample. This will definitely get used. And the next product is kind of a new one to me. It's the Algenist AA Barrier Serum. It's the Algoronic Acid and Fluoratine. God, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. And then also in your beauty offers section, they were offering a Rouge VIB gift if you spent over $35. So it was these 3 Amika products, and I love Amika, so I was like, great. So the first item is the Amika Flash Instant Shine Mask. Again, this was free. It's 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounces. It's a really nice deluxe size to be getting for free. And then we got the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Again, 21 grams. I mean, this is a nice size to get, and I love dry shampoo, so that will 100% get used. And this product, which I do love, it's the Wizard, the Detangling Primer. Again, 1 fluid ounce. Like, thank you. I mean, that's actually, those are really decent sizes, Sephora, so that makes this a little bit more exciting. But now on to the star of the show. So Sephora does give you a little pamphlet to tell you about the products. There's not really too much information on here. It just gives you a little bit of insight. I find that going onto their website and getting reviews and then their how to use section is a bit better. And because we got 2 boxes, we're just gonna go through one of them because the products are the same. Now, the first product that we're pulling out is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. I have used this in the past, and yes, this is a good product and I really like it. This is just the deluxe size sample. So they have the mini version of this on their website selling for $14. So I thought, oh, okay, they're probably hoping that you look at this and you go, oh, okay, this must be the mini size version. Let me attribute a $14 value. No, we're not doing that, because we're gonna look at the sizing here, which says that this is 0.12 ounces. And the mini version is 0.19 ounces, which would mean that on a price comparison, this deluxe size sample would cost $8.84 off the mini version. So the mini version, 14 bucks, $8.84 for this. And here is the very interesting part. So normally when you get a bigger size, you get, you know, you get a better value for it because you're buying the bigger size. Not with the Hourglass Mascara. Surprisingly, the mini size of the Hourglass Caution Mascara is a better buy than the full size, because the full size is 0.33 ounces. And doing a price comparison off of the sizing here to the full size, it would give you a $10.54 value for this, because the full size costs $29. Yeah, I know. The mini size, 0.19 ounces, you're paying $14, and for 0.33 ounces, you're paying 29 bucks. Get the mini size, because the wand is going to be the same. It's just the quantity of product, and you're going to save money with the mini size. But anyway, I'm happy to get this. Again, I do like this product. And moving on, next product we're pulling out is one that has actually gotten some controversy in the review section, and that is this YSL Rouge Volupte Shine Lipstick Balm. It's in the color Corail Domain, and this is 0.05 ounces. And I actually kind of like this color, to be honest with you. This is more like a corally, reddish kind of a color. Now, if you look at mine, see, this is how it is. This is how full it is. It's actually a very decent size sample. So mine looks a little bit chewed up because it has been a bit warm here in Chicago. So yeah, this definitely sat in a warm warehouse, so it's melted a little bit. Now, I like the color. I'm a little bit afraid to swatch it, but we're gonna do it anyway. Ooh, I like that. See, I like lipsticks that are a little bit more balmy because my lips dry out so easily. And after I put on that Pat McGrath lip liner, for some reason, lip liner dries me out. But see, this color, because I really like to wear funky lipstick colors, this will work for me. Like this is gonna be cute. I will make this work. I will 100% make this work. So yeah, you're getting a really decent size sample. And the full size of this is 0.11 ounces, and it retails for $38. This is 0.05 ounces. So price comparison wise, this is a $17.27 value. Okay, thank you. We got two, and I like this. Moving on, the next product is probably the one that I'm least excited to get. It is the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. All right. Here's why I'm not excited about this product. So the second ingredient in the ingredients list for this product is denatured alcohol, which can really dry you out. And then this also has fragrance pretty high up there on the ingredients list as well. So those are two gigantic no-nos for me. How I plan to use this. I'm going to use this as a very expensive but less effective hand sanitizer, because I think hand sanitizer still needs to be like 60% alcohol or something for it to be effective. So this will be the second step in my hand sanitizing routine. But on a more serious note, in case you are very interested in this product is 8 milliliters and 0.27 ounces. The full size is 60 milliliters and 2.02 ounces. Very, very precise. It will cost you $89. So price comparison wise, this means that this product is an $11.87 value. The reason that I bought this box, okay, I know that a lot of skincare YouTubers just kind of like really do not like Lemaire, and I know that they poo-poo Lemaire all the time. And I saw, you know, Cassandra's channel where she said that the reason this is so expensive is because they're doing like some, you know, hoodoo, and they're speaking to the late founder's, you know, spirit. I don't know. Overall, I'm going to be very honest with you. The Lemaire soft cream works incredibly well for me. I don't know what it is. I've used a ton of other skincare products. It works. For me, it works. And everybody's skin is different. That stuff just does wonders for me. I see a noticeable difference. So when I saw that the original Creme de Lemaire was available, I wanted to give this a go. Now, this may not be the same as the soft cream, because the soft cream, I don't have to like do some weird magic and like rub it in and, you know, make it clear before you pat it on. But you know, I'm willing to try this out, and this was part of a $25 box, so I'm gonna give it a go. It's 7 milliliters and 0.24 ounces. Price comparison wise, I mean, this pretty much makes the box worth it, especially if you're excited for this product. Off of the small size, the mini size of the Creme de Lemaire, which is 0.5 ounces and 15 milliliters and costs $95, that would mean that the price for this would be $45.60. If you take the largest size available, which is 2 ounces and 60 milliliters at $345, that would make this sample $41.40. Yeah, I mean, it's worth it if you kind of want to give Lemaire a shot. I mean, basically these boxes are kind of to try things out. And I mean, I had such great results with the soft cream, and yes, I have rebought it, and I rebought it especially when it was in these kits, and it's always just given me incredible results. So I don't know what it is. We're speaking to the dead stuff. Whatever he's doing, it's working for me. So I am not going to quit. I'm not going to try to fix something that's not broken. Going on. Wow, they finally turned off the leaf blower. So now the next product that we're going to be pulling out is the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Mask. And this is a really generous sample. I was also really interested in trying this product. This is a generous deluxe size sample. It's 0.85 ounces or 25 milliliters. The full size of this will be 8.5 ounces and 250 milliliters, and it would cost you $62. That means that this sample is $6.20. I am so excited to give Gisou, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, a try. I wouldn't have bought this on my own had it not come in the box, just because, you know, like, I've tried expensive hair care products and they don't always work that great for me. But you know, if it's gonna come in this, I'm gonna try this out, and I'm really excited for this. Plus, like, this packaging is really nice for a sample. Like, I'm excited for it. And the last product to come in this box is the Viktor Rolf Flowerbomb. So this is 0.24 ounces or 7 milliliters. And there are so many sizes of this product. Now, okay, I have to be honest with you. I'm kind of a little bit tired of getting Viktor Rolf Flowerbomb products. I feel like in every Sephora kit, you get this product somewhere. And I don't know if they just have a really good relationship or if they just continue getting samples from them for free, but you know, would like to see maybe a different fragrance. Now, there's a ton of sizing options available if you like this perfume, so that is at least positive. So I went with the smallest and the largest. The smallest is actually a travel size. It's 0.33 ounces and 10 milliliters, and it would cost you $32. So if you do the price comparison off of this one, that means that this would be $22.40. The largest size, which absolutely shocked me, is 5 ounces, and it is sold out, folks. No, actually, no, it's not bad. It's just, this is just a very sweet smell for me. Like, when I hear Flowerbomb, I'm like hoping like more florals, which I love florals, but this is like a very sweet smell. But I can always give this to my sister and she would love this. So that 5 ounce size, 148 milliliters, if you do the price comparison, that would mean that this would cost you $10.17 because that 5 ounce size is $215. I know that's not very expensive in the fragrance world for 5 ounces, but $215, wow. So anyway, I thought that this kit was definitely worth it. They're giving you at least some nice stuff. Like, okay, fine. The perfume, not my favorite, but you know what? I can gift this to someone, and it's a really nice deluxe size sample. Plus, look at the packaging in here. Like, this is definitely beautifully packaged. You see that? It's gonna hold in place. So this is not a bad thing to gift to someone. Then you got a really generous size of the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Mask, which has a lot of really great reviews. So I'm totally excited to give this a go. You also have the Lemaire, which, like, you know, that's why I kind of bought this box. The Lemaire product, I'm very curious to try Creme de Lemaire. Like I said before, I've only tried the soft cream and I've had such great results with it. That, okay, I want to be fancy. I want to be fancy. I want to know what speaking to the dead cream is like, okay? And then we have the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. Now, beautiful packaging and everything, but like I said, this is going to be like a second step hand sanitizer for me because of the denatured alcohol. That's the second ingredient. And the fact that the fragrance is just so high up there. We also got the gorgeous corally reddish color, which I know may not work for everyone, but I just love this. the Coral Domain color in the YSL Lippy. Very excited for this, and very generous size sample. And then also the Hourglass Caution Mascara, which for me is an oldie but goodie. I'm excited for it to come back into my life. Yeah, and like all the other little samples we got, I have to say, Sephora did kind of redeem itself with this box for me. You know, you can't expect to love every single item in a box, but these are all really great brand names. Editing me jumping on. So I realized I didn't give you the total retail value for the box from my analysis here. So this box, if you're doing the price comparison off of the larger sizes, or in the case of the Hourglass Caution Mascara, the cheaper mini size, you would get a retail value of $95.75. If you're doing the retail values off of these smaller sizes for most of the products except for that mascara, the retail value will be $113.88. So the value is definitely there if you're getting the box for 25 bucks. So yeah, I'd love to get your thoughts, guys. You know, as I mentioned before, I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking. So I would love to get your feedback, hear your commentary. If you like videos like this, please, you know, hit that like button. And if you, by any chance, could consider subscribing, please feel free to do so. Definitely do so. But yeah, guys, I appreciate your time, and I really hope that you stay tuned, and I see you again for the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.